The 5-minute breakfast, eggy tomatoes, and omelette. You know the feeling. The alarm blares and the race against the clock begins. In the blur of the morning rush, breakfast is often the first casualty. You tell yourself you'll grab something later, starting your day on empty. But what if you didn't have to choose between a hot breakfast and being on time? What if, in less time than it takes to check your phone, you could make a gorgeous steaming omelet folded over juicy, warm tomatoes? I'm talking fluffy, golden, and packed with protein that will actually carry you through the morning. This isn't a weekend fantasy, it's your new 5-minute reality. Today, I'm not just making an omelet, I'm taking back my morning. The secret to a game-changing breakfast is simplicity, centered on the classic pairing of eggs and tomatoes. Here's what you need: 3 fresh eggs, nature's protein bombs, giving you sustained energy. I'm using the whole egg for maximum flavor and nutrition. Next, 1 ripe tomato. It's bursting with flavor and creates a jammy, savory sweet base in the pan. The rest is just as simple: a tablespoon of butter or olive oil, plus a pinch of salt and black pepper. That's it. If you want to get fancy, a sprinkle of fresh green onion or parsley at the end adds a nice pop, but it's totally optional. This dish is about minimalism. This prep takes less than 60 seconds. First, crack your 3 eggs into a bowl. Now here's the secret: whisk them like you mean it. Keep going until the color is pale yellow with tiny bubbles on top. That air is the key to a fluffy omelet, so don't skip this. While the eggs rest, quickly rinse and slice your tomato into thin rounds. Slicing looks incredible and it's super fast. Finally, add your salt and pepper right into the whisked eggs and give it one last mix. Prep is done. You've got your seasoned eggs and sliced tomatoes. Let's head to the stove. This is where it all comes together. The key is gentle, medium-low heat. Get your non-stick skillet on the stove and turn the heat to medium-low. Add your butter or oil. Once it's shimmering, arrange your tomato slices in a single layer. Let them cook for about 2 minutes to soften and release their juices. This creates the flavor base for the eggs. Now pour your whisked eggs evenly over the tomatoes. Let the bottom set for about 30 seconds. Then, take your spatula and gently pull the cooked edges toward the center, tilting the pan so the runny egg fills the space. Repeat this a few times around the pan. When the omelet is about 80% cooked, still a bit wet and creamy on top, stop pushing. Let it cook for just 30 seconds more to finish. The final moments are just as important. Turn off the heat. Use your spatula to gently loosen the omelet's edges. Carefully fold one half over the other into that classic half-moon shape, tucking the creamy center into a perfectly cooked package. Slide the omelet from the pan onto your plate. If you're using them, now's the time to sprinkle over your fresh parsley or green onions for a burst of freshness and color. Think a great breakfast should be an everyday thing? Hit that like button if you want more quick recipes like this. And let me know in the comments. What's your go-to 5-minute meal? I read them all. Finally, to get more simple, delicious meals for your busy schedule, subscribe and click the notification bell. You won't want to miss what I'm cooking up next. Now for the best part. Cut into that omelet. See the soft, creamy texture and the juicy pockets of tomato? This is what you created in just 5 minutes. This is more than food. It's proof that you don't need more time, just a better game plan. It's a delicious way to take care of yourself, fueling your body for a great day. So tomorrow when the chaos creeps in, remember this: you have the power, the ingredients, and the 5 minutes to create a moment of delicious calm. Your perfect morning is waiting.